G'day folks. So anyone living in Cebu or even the Philippines will remember the Metro fire at the Ayala Mall in Cebu in January 2018. Started off in the toy stock room around 9:30 on the Friday night on the 5th of January and quickly spread throughout the floors of the department store. We all sat around on TV and social media watching the fire department battle the fire for days, all that weekend, all day Saturday into the Sunday, till it was finally declared out on Monday the 8th of January. Frankly, since then we haven't heard nor seen much of the cleanup or the rebuild and what it looks like, and Ayala's been pretty dead without Metro around. So a year later, I thought it was time for a look at what has happened since the fire, and I hope you enjoy seeing it from above and below like I did. So we heard a rumour that the small, cramped, temporary Metro supermarket was about to be replaced by the new, remodelled ground floor level supermarket. It was a surprise. They'd kept it so quiet that no one really knew much about it happening. Anyway, we've now read that Metro is saying that phase 1 of the redevelopment will be completed by mid-2019, so I guess that's why this is a soft opening, as they're calling it, and it's great news regardless. It's great to see it back.
So where are they? Where the old one, original one was? Because when we went past there the other day, there was still all the fruit and delicacy stuff out the front. Oh yeah. All lit up and clean, clear.
So they have here, they also have there.
Yeah, well I heard that, oh there it is, the old one, it's empty. The old one's still there, there's no fruit or anything much left in there. Now let's see what they got. Wow. It's cleaner, but they don't, no going up the escalator. Okay. Bread's back. Pharmacy. Alcohol. Not as much alcohol as before. New checkouts. Oh, that one. Right. Cool. As big as ever by the look of it. I wish the delicatessen was back, that's what I miss. I didn't notice the import aisle so far. I haven't seen the import aisle. That's an important one. Where's the imports? Western, here we are. The import stuff is still here.